Tell me how you got diagnosed, started, and what's going on with you.
Well, I just went on July, I'll never forget it, July 17th, 2020, just for a routine mammogram. I probably wasn't out of the parking lot good, and they called me and said they saw something. Somebody happened to be there that day.
Good Lord, that's quick, wasn't it?
And yeah, so they wanted me to, they said the hospital or something, the breast center would be calling me to have additional scans done. And probably, I think it was on the 21st of July, they told me I had triple negative breast cancer. So it just kind of immediately started there. I had surgery on the 18th of August. Elected to have a double mastectomy, so I feel like if one's got it, the other one's going to get it too. So let's just nip it in the bud. I had my port taken out January 7th, thinking I wouldn't need it anymore. Late February, early March, they found head and neck cancer. Ended up having surgery, removed half of the left side of my tongue. So now I get to sound like Sylvester all the time.
You don't sound bad.
Had surgery for that. Well, I had to have the port put back in because they weren't sure if they were going to do radiation and chemo. They ended up doing both of them. Radiation is horrible. They said I went through the worst radiation you could possibly have because it's head and neck. And yeah, it is pretty bad. I almost quit, and I'm not a quitter with only 2 remaining. It gave me a week break, and I just did the last 2. So I completed that. Taste buds were starting to kind of come back around a little bit. Still hard to eat, but managing really good. Then come the end of summer, about October, they found lung cancer, stage 4 lung cancer. So now I'm being treated for that. Yeah, whenever I hear high performance cars where they kind of loop a little bit when you're idling, it's like, my car needs to sound that way. I miss doing that. So what do you think about the power shifting versus manual?
Oh, it's so much easier, so much faster. No
Well,
clutch,
it saves the knees.
and there's no clutch, so you just touch it. It's instant. They did a thing on it that said there's no man in the world that can beat it.
Oh, really?
It shifted faster than that touch.
It's like anybody I've heard that's bought one of these cars, they get like so far insurance. And you only put so many miles a year on it.
Yeah, you stay low with it.
So when you first got it, you have to kind of figure out how to, because it's different.
Scared to death.
But generally, when you get to car, it's your favorite. A lot of times, you discover another one. Has that happened to you yet?
No,
Get a fever.
I want to get a Huracan, which is the baby Lamborghini of this one. It's a lot cheaper, and it's not so special, and I want it just to be my daily driver.
Oh, okay.
And keep this one still.
Yeah.
But that's it. So no, I don't want to upgrade. How's your husband taking it?
Pretty good. He's been really good. He takes very good care of me.
That's
But
awesome.
I'm glad he doesn't have to do a whole lot for me. Because that would make me feel horrible.
Oh
Yeah,
Lord!
there's always somebody. Yeah.
Honey, I just totaled a Lamborghini.
It wasn't me. It was that person.
How do you not see this big bright
I
colored
know.
car?
I bet this bump is interesting.
Yeah, I lift my front end up right here when we get here to this.
I didn't wet my pants.
Powering down.
Yeah. It reminds me of, God, I can't do that no more. He won't let me have a car. He won't let me have a car that goes fast.
You better never have a car.
He better.
Did it take your breath away?
No.
Did you scream?
No.
Oh, no, I'm the only one
I
that's...
said, woo!
Well, guess I didn't hit the brake down good enough that time. It didn't want to start. Start that time. Where are you going?
Meridianville?
No, too far!
Oh, what?